Welcome you all to Ukhrul Down. Wow, the shape is nice. The shape is nice. I don't know about your district, your down, but let me stop here because if I show you too much, you will not like to come to Ukhrul again. Bye bye. I love it. The reason why I love Ukhrul, it's not because of the road, but it's because of the weather. See how beautiful. The main center of Ukhrul Down. It's nice, right? Very unique. This is the condition of Ukhrul Town Road, the main Ukhrul Town Road, when it rains. And when it doesn't rain, when it's sunny, it's totally different again. So you can't imagine, yeah. I'll try to update it again, how the condition of Ukhrul Town when it doesn't rain. It's dusty and you can't imagine it. Everybody here in Ukhrul Town loves Ukhrul Town Road. I love it. It's like, we cannot change it. It's like if the road becomes good, it's like we cannot live on. See the condition. This is I'm walking down on the main Ukhrul Down. So if you do not know, if you haven't seen Ukhrul, this is it. I don't know about your town, your street, but this is the condition, and we are happy with see, the color of the road. But it's freezing, it's cold, it's fresh. That's the plus point, apart from the road. Just see, does it look like Ukhrul Town, main town road? This is the condition, this is the reality of Ukhrul Town road. How beautiful it is. Oh, I love it, and we love it. We, the people of Ukhrul, love it. So nobody takes any action, and we are just here, happy with the road condition, and the in charge, whoever is in charge of the road, are also happy because nobody complains, nobody took action. This is it. Oh, see the condition, the weather condition of Ukhrul. It's cool, chill, it's freezing. This is really amazing, wonderful. It's just that the road is not wonderful, it's not amazing. So you can't wear white shoes here in our town. You have to wear either black shoes or rain boot. The best option is rain boot, and you need to wear jacket, warm clothes in Ukhrul whenever you come to Ukhrul, because you can never predict Ukhrul Down weather. You can never predict it. I'm here walking down Ukhrul, down to the main bazaar, and here the condition of the road. See, but the weather is cool, chill, freezing. My hands are all numb. This is the reason why I love Ukhrul. Not because of the road, not because of anything, because of the weather, because of the fresh air, because of the good people. But we are good, but we don't take action. See, the road still the same. 10 years down the line, 15 years, same. This is a wool market, women's market. And here, the old building, this is the Ukhrul Town Hall. It's been standing here like for a very long time. I don't know, but and this is the Hopeful statue in circle. So this building has been here, the same condition, same thing, no changes. It's just it's getting old and old. It might fall down anytime. See how beautiful. The main center of Ukhrul Town. It's lovely, and see here in the main town, the road. It's nice, right? Very unique design. See, wow, the shape is nice. The shape is nice. I don't know about your district, your town, but my town is like this. I think we the youth need to start taking up actions, serious actions. I don't mean to hurt anybody, attack anybody, just saying the reality. If I'm wrong, forgive me. If I am a little bit correct, let's do the changes. Let's do the needful. So this is it. A little bit about my Ukhrul, my lovely Ukhrul. So let's make a changes and bring some development, better road, and let's live a happy life. And let's enjoy the benefits of the government together. Let's not enjoy personally, individually. Forgive me my English. Let's not enjoy. Let's try to enjoy the. Let's try to get the benefit and enjoy together. See. If you don't believe me about the condition of the road, just come and experience yourself. Everybody here in the group knows it. See? But nobody raised their voices. We just talk and finish off the talk. We didn't take any action, so the people in charge are just taking it at lightly. Ew. Ew. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll try to update it more in the coming days.